How to reset, restart, and refocus your life. Cookie, Stoic philosophy. In the fast-paced, ever-changing world we live in, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost, or stuck. Whether you're facing a personal crisis, professional burnout, or simply feeling disconnected from your purpose, the need to reset, restart, and refocus your life is a universal human experience. Stoic philosophy, an ancient yet timeless school of thought, offers profound wisdom and practical tools to help you navigate these challenges and reclaim control over your life. This guide will explore how Stoic principles can help you reset your mindset, restart your journey, and refocus on what truly matters. 1. Understanding the need for a reset. Before diving into the how, it's essential to understand the why. Why do we feel the need to reset our lives? Often it's because we've strayed from our values, become entangled in external distractions, or allowed negative emotions to cloud our judgment. Stoicism teaches us that life is not about controlling external events, but about mastering our internal responses. When we feel lost, it's a sign that we've lost touch with our inner compass. Stoic insight. The Stoics believe that true happiness and fulfillment come from living in alignment with nature and reason. When we reset, we're not starting from scratch. We're returning to our core principles and rediscovering what truly matters. 2. The Stoic framework for resetting your life. Resetting your life begins with a shift in mindset. Stoicism provides a clear framework for this process, centered on 3 key principles. A. Focus on what you can control, the dichotomy of control. One of the foundational teachings of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. Some things are within our control and others are not. Your thoughts, actions, and attitudes are within your control. External events, other people's opinions, and outcomes are not. Resetting your life starts with accepting this truth and directing your energy toward what you can influence. Practical steps. Identify areas of your life where you've been trying to control the uncontrollable. Let go of external validation and focus on your own values and actions. Practice daily reflection to reinforce this mindset. B. Embrace change and impermanence. Life is inherently unpredictable, and change is the only constant. Stoicism teaches us to embrace this reality rather than resist it. Resetting your life requires accepting that the past is gone and the future is uncertain. The present moment is all we truly have. Practical steps. Reflect on the impermanence of life, a practice known as memento mori. Use change as an opportunity for growth rather than a source of fear. Cultivate gratitude for the present moment. E. Align your actions with your values. A life out of alignment with your core values is a life devoid of meaning. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living virtuously, cultivating wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Resetting your life means realigning your actions with these virtues. Practical steps. Define your core values and write them down. Evaluate your current habits and routines. Are they in line with your values? Make intentional choices that reflect your principles. 3. Restarting your journey with Stoic practices. Once you've reset your mindset, the next step is to restart your journey. This involves taking deliberate actions to rebuild your life on a foundation of Stoic principles. Here are some practical Stoic practices to help you restart. A. Morning and evening reflection. The Stoics were strong advocates of daily reflection. Starting and ending your day with intentional thought helps you stay focused and grounded. Morning reflection. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today, and how can I respond virtuously? Set an intention for the day based on your values. Evening reflection. Review your day. Did I live in accordance with my values? Where did I fall short? Identify areas for improvement and plan for a better tomorrow. B. Practice negative visualization. Negative visualization, or premeditatio malorum, is a Stoic exercise that involves imagining worst-case scenarios. This practice helps you prepare for adversity and appreciate what you have. How to practice. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing potential challenges or losses. Reflect on how you would respond with resilience and virtue. Use this exercise to cultivate gratitude and mental toughness. C. Simplify your life. Stoicism advocates for a life of simplicity and minimalism. Restarting your journey often requires decluttering, both physically and mentally. Practical steps. Remove unnecessary distractions and commitments. Focus on quality over quantity in relationships, possessions, and activities. Prioritize what truly adds value to your life. 4. Refocusing on what truly matters. With a reset mindset and a restarted journey, the final step is to refocus your energy on what truly matters. Stoicism teaches us that the key to a meaningful life lies in focusing on our inner character and the impact we have on others. 80. Cultivate virtue above all else. For the Stoics, virtue is the highest good. Virtue encompasses wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Refocusing your life means making these virtues your guiding principles. Practical steps. Practice self-discipline and moderation in all areas of life. Act with integrity and fairness in your interactions with others. Seek wisdom through continuous learning and self-improvement. B. Serve others and contribute to the greater good. Stoicism is not a self-centered philosophy. It emphasizes the importance of contributing to the well-being of others and the community. Practical steps. Look for opportunities to help others, no matter how small. Practice empathy and compassion in your relationships. Remember that your actions have a ripple effect on the world around you. C. Live in the present moment. The Stoics believe that the present moment is all we truly have. Refocusing your life means letting go of regrets about the past and anxieties about the future. Practical steps. Practice mindfulness and focus on the task at hand. Savor simple pleasures and find joy in the ordinary. Remind yourself that the present is where life happens. 5. Overcoming obstacles along the way. Resetting, restarting, and refocusing your life is not a linear process. You will face obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. Stoicism equips you with the tools to navigate these challenges with resilience and grace. A. Embrace adversity as an opportunity. The Stoics viewed obstacles as opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a chance to practice virtue and strengthen your character. Practical steps. Reframe setbacks as lessons rather than failures. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? Use adversity to build mental toughness and resilience. B. Practice self-compassion. While Stoicism emphasizes discipline and self-control, it also recognizes the importance of self-compassion. Be kind to yourself as you navigate this journey. Practical steps. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Remember that growth is a lifelong process. C. Seek support in community. Stoicism is not about going it alone. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your values and can offer support and encouragement. Practical steps. Join a Stoic community or study group. Share your journey with trusted friends or mentors. Learn from the experiences and wisdom of others. 6. Living a Stoic life, a lifelong journey. Resetting, restarting, and refocusing your life is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. Stoicism teaches us that life is a journey of constant growth and self-improvement. By embracing Stoic principles, you can cultivate a life of purpose, resilience, and fulfillment. Final thoughts. The beauty of Stoic philosophy lies in its practicality and timelessness. Whether you're facing a major life transition or simply seeking greater clarity and peace, the Stoic approach offers a roadmap for living well. Remember, the power to reset, restart, and refocus your life lies within you. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." By integrating these Stoic principles and practices into your life, you can navigate challenges with grace, align your actions with your values, and create a life of meaning and purpose. The journey may not always be easy, but it will be worth it.